questions, right? So we ended up calling our roadside assistance because our jack isn't big enough, right, babe? Because we're on this weird angle.
It's a 2-ton jack. It's plenty big, but
yeah.
look at the road. We're halfway into the grass and we're leaning over. So when the trucks pass us, it's moving the trailer. It will fall off the jack.
So this is our second blowout. 2 different tires. The last one was on the
one was
driver's side.
Yeah, but that was just a blowout. This one blew out because we know our axles are not squared, so we have a tire that wears out prematurely every couple of years, and that was the tire. It's a little bit off, and it wears out quickly. And then we noticed on this trip, so we weren't going over 65. Normally we go at 70. And then we heard a big pop. It was quite loud, but it didn't blow anything. It didn't hurt anything. It stayed intact. But as soon as we heard the pop, we stopped that fast. Whereas last time, we slowly watched the tire disintegrate, and then we pulled over. There was nothing left of that tire. But this one, yeah, we'll have to show the tread.
Mm-hmm. All right, so we're waiting for Progressive now.
And yet, people don't like to move over either.
No, I don't think they have a move over law in Louisiana.
This 18-wheeler right here, right past us.
No move over law
Yeah, no, they
in
could care less.
Louisiana.
Yeah.